just 5 years, India's EV market has doubled from under 1 million to nearly 2 million vehicles. The shift is real, and the future is electric. Turn your unused land into a revenue stream. Every charging station means new customers, steady income, and long-term value. From fast DC chargers to reliable AC charging setups, we build secure, modern, and customer-friendly EV stations tailored for your land. The EV revolution is here. Don't let your land stay idle. Transform it into a charging destination with DiodeEV today.